It's me, Nod from the Planet Nerd. Ha-chiki-waka. Ooh, I have not been posting because I have been speechless for the past week. The Democrat Party am a paper donkey. They not really here for you. They just here to make it look like somebody am here for you. Harry Reid am a fighter what throws a fight. Only politicians what stand up for what they believe in am the Tea Party, and they am idiots. Time for another New Deal, 'cause the cards am stacked against the people. It's time for a new revolution, and I am on you side. I love America, and I will fight with you for you freedom. The Sons of Lafayette am here. Well, just me, actually, 'cause I am the only extraterrestrial currently in residence here on Earth. That am because no one else would come here with me.